Have you ever wanted to buy a token before it gets to the big exchanges? Have you ever wanted to buy a token where you get 50x, 100x, or at least 5x or something more than the normal 10%, 20% that you get on big exchanges? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that on the ICP ecosystem. Now, before I continue, two things. Number one, I'm not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. Second thing, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel, as well as join our newsletter. All the links are going to be below. 3 comments are getting 1 ICP each, so comment below what's your favorite ICP token. A lot of tokens that get on big exchanges like Coinbase, Binance, etc., they have to go through a large process and kind of have to be big enough in order to get there to confirm they're legitimate projects. Now, there are ways to get those more risky projects or those smaller projects that are barely starting to grow, and that's where you really get those 50x, 100x, and other larger opportunities. However, these opportunities aren't available on the big exchanges as they're still in its infancy. Today, we're going to look at how to use ICP and the ICP ecosystem, specifically ICPSwap, in order to buy these tokens. Let's go ahead and take a look at how to buy them. All right, guys, so the first thing you have to do is you have to go to app.icpswap.com. Once you're there, there's going to be something in this top corner. So on this top corner right here, you're going to see a button that says connect wallet. As soon as you click that button, it's going to give you a wide variety of wallets that you can use. For example, Stoic Wallet, Pluck Wallet, ICPSwap Wallet, Dfinity Wallet. You can also use NFID or Internet Identity. If you use the Internet Identity, I think it produces its own in-house wallet for you. In my case, I'm going to use Stoic Wallet, since that is the wallet that I use the most. Once you're authorized, it's going to show your balance of ICP right here. Immediately, it's going to take you to the swap feature. So that's what we're looking at for in this one. It's going to show you your balance in ICP, and then at the bottom there's a button that says select token. This is where you select tokens that are already listed on here. So for example, you have tokens such as the SNS1 token that you can trade for. You have Cycles, NDP, Ghost, WICP, Xcanic, OG, Land, Well. Some of these tokens are meme tokens. For example, DogMe is a meme token, Ghost is a meme token, and other ones are for more serious projects. For example, OGY is for the Origin Foundation. That is a token, and you can purchase it here using the automatic market maker. For this example, let's go ahead and look at a meme token. So ICPs, let's buy some ICP. So ICP right here, I'm going to put 1 ICP, and it's going to tell me how many ICPs it'll give me for 1 ICP. For example, 352.699 ICPs. You can also do this backwards. For example, let's say I want specifically 1,000 ICPs, then I just click it to flip it upside down, and I type right here 1,000 because I just want to have 1,000 ICPs, and it'll give me the value in ICP. So let's go ahead and put 1 ICP, and it'll buy me 352 ICPs. So let's go ahead and hit swap. Confirm swap, and it buys me the ICP, and it's going to be a lot faster than using a chain like Ethereum. All right, so now I want to buy some DogMe token. Click DogMe, and then 1 ICP or whatever amount of ICP you want to do, and then you swap it and confirm your purchase. The next part that I want to show you is called token pools. Token pools are where you can stake your tokens. For example, you can stake your ICPs for a certain percentage. APY stands for annual percentage rate. For example, right now, ICPs are 236.91%. You have Box token at 69.11%. Xcanic at 113.28%. That is on a yearly basis. So whenever you see those numbers, don't think that's how much you're going to get per day or per month. That is per year. However, the thing does not last a whole year. For example, this one is live, but if you click on details, you'll see that it ends in a couple of days. So that is a huge number, but it's only for a couple of days. So invest wisely. So in this example, let's go ahead and add some ICP to our liquidity. All you have to do is click this plus sign right here, and you can add as many as you want. In our example, we purchased 352 ICPs. So I'm just going to click the max. However, you can just manually type whatever amount you want to do on there, and then you approve it. Once you approve it, you lock it in there to start earning interest. The interest are then going to be shown in this little tube right here. So for example, right now, while making this video, I've already earned 0.0007 ICPs. That is one way to earn tokens on this platform. The next thing that I want to show you guys is marketplace. The marketplace is basically where you purchase your NFTs. So for example, you have some of the famous ones. I think this one has been taken out recently, Baby Air Off. There's also one of the most famous ones was Ghost NFT that gave that Ghost token airdrop. So you can also see those here. All right, guys. So I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys and that you learned a little bit. Let me know if you have any questions below and drop a comment. Help us get those algorithms up. I'm Victor, ICP Squad. Catch you next time.